Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a disease known as uveitis. Now, this is a condition in which there is an inflammation of the middle part of the eye between the sclera and the retina. Now, depending upon which part is affected, uveitis may be termed as iritis or cyclitis or choroiditis. However, the common factor is inflammation of that particular part. Now, the symptoms include sensitivity to light, blurred vision, pain and redness in the eye. Now, this condition can be either acute or chronic and usually results from inflammatory conditions such as herpes zoster, histoplasmosis, toxoplasmosis or arthritis. Now, this is a serious condition which can result in loss of vision and therefore it requires prompt and aggressive treatment. The modern management of this condition usually involves the use of steroids in the form of eye drops and pupil dilators. Now, Ayurvedic herbal treatment of uveitis is aimed at reducing the inflammation in the eye, reversing the damage done to the eye, and providing soothing effect as well as nourishment to the damaged parts. Herbal medicines are used in high doses in order to reduce inflammation at the earliest, so as to prevent loss of vision. Now, herbal medicines also which have a high specific action on the eyes are used in combination with other medicines to treat inflammation, reduce the damage to the inner parts of the eye, to the blood vessels as well as to remove toxins from the microcirculation within the eyes. Now, in addition to oral medication, localized treatment is also given in the form of eye drops and application of medicated paste over and around the eyes. Now, this is known as Netra Tarpan. In addition, these treatments are supplemented by special Panchakarma procedures such as medicated enema and induced purgation. Now, the patient has a history of severe affliction with some infection or diseases such as arthritis or toxoplasmosis, then these need to be treated separately so as to simultaneously reduce inflammation in the eyes and treat uveitis. Now, most individuals affected with this condition usually require Ayurvedic herbal treatment for about 6 to 8 months in order to get significant improvements. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for a disease known as uveitis. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.